The world is changing so much right now. Everything is rapidly iterating. It's unbelievable what's happening, and it's super important that we learn to use Claude Code in our daily lives. So we're bringing together our ops team and our dev team in beautiful Cartagena, rented a house, and for the week, everybody's gonna be learning how to use Claude Code. So we're halfway through our hackathon in beautiful Cartagena, Colombia. It's going amazing. The first day, Sunday, everybody got a little intimidated. We watched some videos on how to use Claude Code, and it's all inside, the code workspace. Everybody got a little overwhelmed, and then we started getting into it. Matt and Ivan showed everybody how to use the workspace and do something small to start within Claude Code, and everybody was off to the races. And they didn't start small. I mean, Ops is building agents to do anything from like QA and a campaign setup to helping clients resize creative automatically to monitoring campaigns and doing insights and reports on an ongoing basis, research agents, you name it. Right now, we got about like 5 or 6 agents that we're building. Couldn't ask for anything more. It's exactly what we came here for. It's exactly what we wanted to do. And I can see how we're gonna leave completely better than what we can. Let's go.
I think as a recap, yesterday was pretty successful. I think at the beginning, everybody seemed really daunted by what we were trying to accomplish. But by the end, it was really exciting to see, everybody's kind of engagement and abilities to, work with Claude Code and start creating things or automating things that, weren't possible before yesterday morning.
We got 2 days left, and then we got Friday big celebration. So we will now do our best to kind of like bring it home. What is the advantage of Claude Code? Like, why Claude Code? Why wouldn't you just go to like an LLM and do that? Why would you just go to Claude Cowork and do it? So there are things behind the scenes within Claude and things that they're launching. And there's some really interesting commands coming out. All right, guys. End of the week. How many agents did we build?
Around 8 or 9.
8 or 9? Wow. And everybody learned how to use Claude Code this weekend. Now, when you go home and tell you have to do something, we're gonna look and go, do I need to do that myself? Or can I build an agent to do that for me? So, wicked. We're gonna show and tell now.
So everyone, welcome to the Buddy Check QA agent that Alda and I have worked on. The whole point of creating this agent is to make sure that traffickers have confidence while they're creating campaigns on the DSP.
It's a creative resizing tool that does it in bulk automatically and also gives us a nice little status report, and we can use it also to validate creatives and make sure they actually are the sizes the clients say they are.
I worked on a tool that helps us write end of campaign insights. This process typically takes 2 hours. Now it only takes 2 to 5 minutes.
This specific tool or workflow is used to create basically screenshots of our ads running on websites.
I work out of Noel's inbox mainly and a lot of task management. The step that Matt helped me automate today was that it's now going to automatically get integrated into a project in Asana.
So runs, reviews, absorbs. So we're doing TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, pulling those in, and then it'll pull also a massive search report.
A company research agent that goes out, scrapes the site, and then looks at competitive sites and actually comes up with ideas of affinities and behaviors that I may not be thinking about.
Help me identify what content has been performing well or what can we use to generate new content.
The week is done. We've been here together as a team for 7 days, built agents. The entire team has learned how to use Claude Code. Seeing the expressions and the excitement on my teammates' face when they learned actually how to use this stuff after being so intimidating with what it looks like to actually write code in Claude Code, was probably one of my most favorite things to see. Their faces lighting up, realizing we could actually do this. A request that was made that would probably have taken a week to do, you literally did in half an hour using Claude Code. These guys are going home now, educated and ready to use this stuff. A little bit of history about where we are right now. Cartagena was actually the central place for the Spaniards when they arrived in South America. That's why you see this wall. This wall actually surrounds the entire area called the Walled City, which was what they needed to protect all the riches that they actually had to take them home. So what an appropriate place to do this. Protect the team and give them the space to actually flourish. So now we're done. Moving on. We got another hackathon coming. We're going to keep doing these. Now that we've accomplished what we set out to do, it's time to celebrate. Next up is celebration. Thanks for joining us, guys. More to come. Let's keep rolling.